Hey guys, welcome back to Fluency Hacks, and in today's video we are discussing the voice dental fricative of English, and we are comparing it with the Hindi voice dental plosive the sound. As you might have noticed by now that the two sounds are different in the manner in which they are pronounced. So let's first discuss the English Z sound. Most of you might not be generating the English Z like the way I'm doing right now. Probably you don't want to sound ridiculous, or we're pretty much used to using our the and speaking English sound. And let me tell you one more thing. I have been talking to my clients overseas since I've been to marketing, and this is a kind of sound which is pretty similar to their ear as well. So it's not something that they would complain of. For example, the sound of the and the Indian tha are often confusing to the listeners who originally come from these countries. As I said at the beginning of the video, it's voiced dental fricative, and the Hindi the is voiced. Again, it's also a voiced sound, which means your vocal cord and the upper teeth, or the back of the upper teeth in case of Hindi, or in case of English, the upper teeth and the tongue, they come together and make friction. So the English the is different than that of Hindi the. Hindi the is simply a voiced dental plosive sound. What is the plosive sound? The plosive sound is when the two articulatory organs come together, they lock the air, and the air is released in the form of burst of air. So it's a the. Let me again show you through a very simple example. Assume these are your upper set of teeth. This is your tongue. They come together. I'm talking about the Hindi the sound, and you build up the pressure of the air, not a very harsh or a loud one. Just very simple. You build the pressure of the air and you just release it. Release it. The. Whereas in English, the tongue and the teeth not necessarily touch, so tighten each other, not necessarily tighten each other. They just come close and make the friction of the air. So that's the fundamental difference between the two sounds. The English one is voiced dental fricative, and the Hindi is again voiced dental but plosive. So now let's discuss a few words and see how these two sounds are generated, and I would like you to train your ear as well. Then, that, this, mother, father, another, bathing, the is there, bathing, soothing, the many others which you can practice. And another one, another, and another one bites the dust. Why can't I conquer? Hindi is different. Din, not then. Then, ढल गया दिन. stuffs like that. It's an old song. Yes, there is one with a lot of does. Derde dil, derde jigar, dil mein jagaya apne. You cannot say derde dil, derde jigar, dil mein jagaya apne. That's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you would have understood by now that the of English is a bit different than the of Hindi, and it would be okay if you try. It isn't that difficult. You can simply create a list of words of English and try to speak it with your tongue out like this. Then, there, this, that, another, mother, father, brother, and you have no problem speaking Hindi's the. But again, for the reference, you have to understand that the is dental, voiced, plosive. The, locking the air, releasing it. English is different. It is dental, voiced. Voice is happening here in both the sounds cases. But it's not plosive, it is fricative. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would appreciate you commenting, letting me know your thoughts, and if you are facing any problem with the speech sound, please write down or email me. You can go and find my email in my about section of the channel. I'll definitely try to create another video addressing your issue. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.